These curls are like soft and they're so like fluffy. It almost feels like it's my hair. Alright guys, so this is what the wig is looking on now. So I haven't washed it or anything. I chose not to co-wash it beforehand just because I wanted to see what it would look like. So the hairline is kind of full, so I might have to do some tweezing there a little bit. And the lace is a little bit dark for me. I did get a medium or light brown, so I'm kind of shocked that it's this dark. So we'll have to play with that, but luckily the fake scalp part is looking pretty good. I mean, it could be a little bit better with some plucking, and I thought the knots would be a little bit more bleached than they are, so they're not as bleached as I was hoping they would be. So these are just my first impressions right now. So I'm just going to speed through this whole process here. I'm just cutting the sides off now just to make sure that it fits my head properly. And I'm just going to speed through the install. I have a video on how I did my install if you guys are interested. I will link that up below if you want to see that video. I know I'm kind of speeding through this process where I'm cutting off the ear tabs, so if you guys want to see a more detailed video, definitely comment down below, let me know. I will do a more detailed video if you guys want to see that. I know the sides can be pretty tricky, even I myself struggle with them, but I do have a way of that I do it, and now I think I have a good handle on it. Taking the Got To Be spray, I'm just going to spray the perimeter of this wig where I want to kind of lay it down before I begin cutting it. Usually I don't do it this way. I prefer to cut it off and then I will glue it down, but I wanted to try something different to see if this would make the application process easier. But however, I do think it's probably best to cut the lace off first and then glue it down. I just think it's easier because I struggled a lot and I had to go back and apply the Got To Be several times. So definitely don't do it this way unless you're comfortable with it this way, but I'm not comfortable with it. So now I'm just going to cut the lace out, and I really did not do a good job cutting this lace. As you guys can see, it looks very uniform, so I need to work on that. I usually don't have it like this, but I also think that because this lace is so much darker, that's probably why it's more of a line that you guys can see it. But if this lace was blending a little bit more, it probably wouldn't be as visible. Now that I have it in a pretty good spot, so I'm gonna just take out some hairs just to create some baby hairs. I think now I'm starting to like it, and especially with curly hair, because I feel like with curly natural hair, people who do have that texture tend to have baby hairs, so I will do a little bit of baby hairs. So I'm sure you can tell that the wig is not laying pretty flat yet, and it's kind of giving me this like uniform look just because the lace is just not the right tone for me. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start creating some baby hairs just to customize it a little bit, and then I'll go back and just kind of glue everything down. So as you can see, the longest part right now in the installation is just the baby hairs, just because I'm new to it. But now that I'm done, I am just gonna part my hair where I want to part it, and I'm just gonna go over that with the hot comb just to kind of press those down a little bit because the wig is fresh out of the box. So I'm just taking some water here in a spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray the hair with water. I'm not going to add too much product because I really want to see how these curls are on their own. And right now they are looking pretty good just for a little bit of water and with it not being washed yet. So that's what I'm doing here, and I am going to add a little bit mousse later on just to kind of keep those curls, but just water and mousse. I'm just taking some of my face powder just to kind of conceal some of that lace as much as I can. I'm adding it to the part and also where the hairline kind of meets my forehead, just to kind of make it as natural as I can. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. So this is a 16-inch curly wig from Afsisterwig. The curls are super soft. Like, I wish you guys can feel this. I did just open up the curls quite a bit just because I wanted to see how big they would look with some volume. And when I say these curls are like soft and they're so like fluffy, it almost feels like it's my hair. Well, I mean, it is, but I just really love it. The fake scalp method so far, I don't know how I feel about it just because the lace is not really the same color as my complexion, so I've had to put a lot of powder on there. And the hairline, I was thinking it was going to be a little bit more plucked than it is, and it's kind of full. This side more so than the other, so I think I might have to go back and do a little bit more customization, but I just wanted to show you guys how this wig looks like and how it looks like on. I didn't do really much. I didn't really do anything to it, but I just wanted to give you guys a true unboxing and like a true review. If you guys are interested in this wig, I mean, I definitely love the curls. I love how it feels. I love the fullness. I did kind of get a little bit of shedding, but I think that's because I just got it out the box. So maybe with a good co-wash and some, treatment, this might, hold up a little bit more. But this is how the wig came out, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this video, definitely comment down below, let me know. I can do a little bit more reviews and stuff. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Bye!